Preparing a delicious and satisfying treat in your own kitchen alongside your favorite hot beverage would be ideal. Well, here at Chai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with Chai Spice Shortbread Cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. And now the wet ingredients. Butter makes everything taste better. Time to build the cookies. Set your timer for 15 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. What country developed Chai Spice? The answer in about 5 seconds. They look great right out of the oven. Thanks for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these cookies are the ultimate treat, combining chai spice with classic shortbread, creating the perfect cookie with your hot beverage that you will absolutely enjoy. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a great way to spend an afternoon or evening. Stay with us, watch the next videos.